foot long.
I know. Hey guys, we're unboxing Brayden's blow-ups he got for Christmas. He's got this cute little 4-foot dinosaur that we don't think is really 4 feet.
It's not 4 feet. I'm like 4'3" and look.
Yeah.
I'm a lot more than 3 inches.
Yeah. And then we got this 4-foot pig with hat.
And then I was like, maybe it's 4 foot long, but look, it's still not 4 foot long.
Right. So they're both from Boscov's 4-foot pig with stocking hat. And then the dinosaur with stocking hat.
And they also mess up when they say stocking hat.
Yeah, instead of Santa hat. Alright, so let's see. We have these two guys. The little piggy.
Probably put them like that.
And then the dinosaur. And then...
No!
Oh my God. Do you like this, Brayden?
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff. We got home last night from my brother's house. We got all the gifts everywhere. Yep. We got all these little STEM projects. Bless you.
Need this.
Okay. So.
Squishy costume.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. A Halloween one. So we got 2 blow-ups there. And then you have 2 more to open? Well, this one.
No, 3.
Oh, 3 more to open. Well, one's not a blow-up, right? But 2 are.
Can we do a whole video for all of them?
Yeah. We'll just keep it going.
There's cremator.
The cremator we did an unboxing video. If you guys haven't seen that, check that out.
Yeah,
That was posted already.
Oh no.
What is this? Oh.
It's so hard.
Alright, so this one is the 5-foot inflatable Santa and sleigh. These are all from Boscov's.
There you go, that was a lot easier.
Yeah.
I was like, this looks Halloween. There's still wrapping paper on it.
Yeah, that's okay. We hope you guys had a great holiday. Great Christmas. Alright, let's see this one. Oh, the plug's already attached on these, huh?
Mm-hmm. It blinks.
That's cool.
This one wasn't on display, so I don't know what it does. They said this is 5 foot, and I think it's good.
Well, so this one was not on display. Did you want it?
I don't want it. I kind of.
Yeah.
I was like, I kind of liked it. I was like, maybe
That's
that might have been my
surprise.
3rd prize. That might have been my 3rd, my 3rd place.
Yeah. We don't really have one of him in a sleigh, though. So that's perfect. Yeah.
And look, the present's blue.
That's cool.
And then there we go. But he don't have no reindeer.
Oh, right. No, he might be no, he's definitely not 5 feet. But he's taller than you. He's taller than 4 feet.
4 though.
Yeah.
He's like 4 something.
He's cute. Let me see how wide it is, the whole thing. What's it look like?
So small.
Let me see the back of it.
Way out there.
Oh, okay. Kind of just gets up. Okay.
He's a cool guy.
Yeah, he's cute. He's jolly. Okay,
You've
so
been a
it's...
bad little boy.
What, the pig?
No,
Or Santa?
those are the bad. Right, we have Halloween.
Okay, now we're back to Halloween.
Oh, this is
Careful.
a lot easier. There you go.
So 3 Christmas, 1 Halloween.
Wait, there's only 1 LED. This is a 5 foot. This looks sick.
It looks what?
It's the same foot.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely not 5 foot.
Skeleton dinosaur. Pulling a little pumpkin. 5 feet tall, yeah.
Well, it looks 6 foot on the box.
He does look tall in the box.
It's like 10 foot on. I remember this one at Boscov's that I've been really wanting. It's like a 10-foot Reaper.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. And you said no more blow-ups.
I know.
Can't take these back now.
That's what my moms are for. Ah, don't bite
He
Santa.
has a base though on the bottom of
Oh, okay.
them. Hey,
He's cute. He's got...
I like this one. This is probably my favorite one.
Which one's his eyes?
What? It's a skeleton.
I know. All
His
right.
ribs are in his back. That's kind of weird. That light is really bright. His lights are huge.
Yep.
You're bad.
Okay, last one. Oh,
Penguin.
this is not a blow up, but it's a penguin with lights, little pop-up decoration.
Yeah, I'm using it.
Yeah, the cutter. And then Brian also got this claw machine. Halloween claw machine. He's been wanting one of these for a long time.
Since I was like 1 year old.
Yeah. I finally got the claw machine. Alright, another little penguin.
This is LED.
Do you remember you wanted this one?
Remember?
Yep. Oh yeah. It's cute. He's like all set. Just set him up like that. There you go. That's all you need.
This looks so confusing. But this is.
It's like tucked inside. Oh, the lights are nice. With a stocking hat?
Is that what it is?
No,
Hanging with lights.
but the other ones say stocking hats instead of Santa hat. Get hit in the face?
Everything that I got today, at least I have one Santa hat.
Yep.
Except for the dinosaur.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Oh my goodness, this is something. Oh my gosh.
Be careful, you gotta like angle it
That's what I'm trying to
with
do.
the lights. Is that one light over there, that strand stuck?
No, we just need
Oh.
to try to get this out. There you
There you go. Ooh. Lots of lights. There you go. So you snack them.
You need to like
Snap
zip
it in.
tie it.
Did it come with zip ties?
I don't know, but you probably just be. There we go.
Alright, perfect. Put the cord in.
Hmm?
The cord.
There we
There you
go. It's pretty cute.
go. That's cute. I like that lights are already like hooked onto his arms.
I like these lights.
Yeah. And the scarf.
And it looks like it's.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That was a quick build.
Yeah.
Right.
Here it is.
Yeah, it comes with green zip ties.
It does come with zip ties?
Yeah, but
Oh.
they're like green zip ties.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, these
Ooh,
twinkles. Jinx.
I love this. He's really bright.
Yeah.
I love LED more than the other type of lights.
Yeah, he's cute. Aw. Well, you guys, there is Braden's decorations that he got for Christmas. Pretty much, right? For yesterday's. Do you want to put a new Squishmallow outfit and show him? It's right here.
The Squishmallow outfit.
So his aunt and uncle got him this little Squishmallow. It's perfect. Little pumpkin. The witch hat.
I like this. It's cool.
Yeah, I do too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's all your blow-ups, right Brayden? Yep. Oh, and we got this too for Halloween. That's cool. We've never seen a Halloween ladder. It's always like the Santa ladders.
For the Christmas one.
Or the Christmas ones, yeah.
There's only 2 of them. There's no medium ones. You know, like the medium ones.
Yeah.
Not like the regular. They have small and 10-foot ones.
Yeah. Cool.
Bye.
Alright guys, bye.